Hello all, welcome to Healing Harmony. So if you are looking for natural and effective ways to combat cough, cold and respiratory issues, you are in the right place. Today, I will introduce you to a powerful hand gesture called the Linga Mudra or the Mudra of Heat. It's simple to do, incredibly effective and has been used for centuries in yogic practices to boost immunity and fight infections. So, what is Linga Mudra? It is a hand gesture that generates internal heat in your body. This heat helps your body combat infections like the common cold, bronchial congestion, and even fever. It also enhances lung function, regulates mucus production, and boosts your overall respiratory health. So let's check what are the benefits of Linga Mudra. It fights respiratory infections, that is, the heat generated using this mudra helps your body combat cold, flu, and other infections. It also relieves congestion, that is, reduce mucus buildup and clears nasal passages and the chest. Another one is it improves metabolism. It improves your metabolic rate, aiding faster recovery. It also enhances lung function. That is, it strengthens your lungs, improves oxygen flow and respiration. It also regulates fever. That is, it helps the body naturally balance its temperature during mild fevers. It also helps in boosting immunity. That is, it prepares your immune system to fight off future infections. That is very important. Now let's check how to perform Linga Mudra. So now let's learn the practice of this healing mudra. That is, you have to sit comfortably in a quiet space, keeping your spine straight. Bring both hands together in front of your chest. Interlock your fingers, ensuring the thumb of your left hand remains upright. Wrap the index finger and the thumb of your right hand around the upright thumb of your left hand. Once again, wrap the index finger and thumb of your right hand around the upright thumb of your left hand. Hold this mudra gently but firmly, maintaining a relaxed posture. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths and concentrate on your breathing. Practice this for 10 minutes. If you have cough and cold regularly, practice this 2 to 3 times daily. Let's check why Linga Mudra is effective. Linga Mudra creates heat in your body, which plays a crucial role in fighting infections. This heat reduces mucus production, alleviates bronchial congestion, and improves your body's ability to regulate fever. Additionally, it enhances metabolism and respiration, making it an excellent tool for overall health improvement. We can enhance the results of Linga Mudra with some breathing exercises. So pairing Linga Mudra with simple breathing exercises can amplify its benefits. So you can do Nadi Shodhan Pranayama or alternate nostril breathing. It helps in balancing the respiratory system and improving oxygen flow. Another breathing exercise is Brahmari Pranayama or humming bee breathe. It soothes irritations and reduces stress, aiding in fast recovery. These practices calm your mind and boost your body's ability to heal naturally. Let's check what are the precautions while practicing Linga Mudra. Linga Mudra generates heat, so avoid over practicing it, especially in hot weather. Second is stay hydrated. That is, you have to drink water or herbal tea to balance the heat generated. If you feel excessive heat, practice a cooling mudra like Varun Mudra to restore balance. That is, touch the tip of your thumb with the tip of your small finger and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. That is Varun Mudra. Always combine this mudra with proper rest and take care of for the best results. Remember, this is a complementary practice and not a replacement for medical advice. Other tips for cough and cold relief. You can sip warm ginger tea with honey or turmeric milk to support your immune system. Then practice steam inhalation to clean nasal congestion. Also, get plenty of rest to allow your body to recover naturally. So, Linga Mudra is a complementary practice and should not replace medical treatment. If your symptoms persist or worsen, always consult a healthcare professional. So, thank you for joining me today on Healing Harmony. I hope you found this session helpful. If you did, please give a like, share to this video and please subscribe. When you share this with someone, they will. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural healing tips. Let's nurture a healthier and happier life. See you in the next video. Bye.